Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Guys, my name is Biswa, and in this video we are going to see about a product which is called as Mopsig. So I find this particular product one of the best value for money product in IKEA. Whenever I visit this, I was really trying to find out this type of products which is best value for money. So this Mopsig is having 12 set of your spoon, maybe cutlery items, I can say. Yeah, so 12 piece of cutlery sets. So I was really shocked about the price. So let me tell you about the price. Let me reveal it. So it is around $2. So you will never expect this. So in Indian currency I got it for 150 rupees, 149 rupees. So the price would be definitely higher. So the price, I'll say, so currently the price source is 279 rupees. So it is around $4, but I got it for $2. So 50% of the loss. So the weight is quite heavy, guys. So let me tell you about the description. So product name is Mopsig, product type is 12 piece of cutlery set. You will see some spoon, some forks and some baby spoons, maybe for ice creams and all. Let us quickly read it. Made in China. Let us quickly open it. So guys, here it goes. So yeah, see here, guys, there are 1 2 3 and 4 set of forks. Okay, I can show you here, and there are 4 set of ice cream spoons. What is mentioned here, it is stainless steel IKEA and the number 22258 something. All these are stainless steel, guys. So this is 4, and the best part is this one. You can definitely use it for your meal or something. So it is also 22458. So guys, here is another 4 set of your spoon. So in total we have here 12 set of spoons from IKEA, which is the best store in the world, for around $2. What else you expect, guys, from the price that we pay for getting this 12 set of cutlery items? So there are different varieties. There might be so the even I can say it is thick, guys. It is not at all thin, and the weight is comparatively lesser. It is basically, we need a good quality with less weight also, right? If we use a heavy spoon for eating, or it basically it is not suggested even to use to heavy one. This is quite good, guys. So even you cannot bend it. It is very tough to bend, and it is quite good. Even if you see the forks also, the same type of material been used, and it is not quite thin, it is thick. So as expected, it's a good product, guys. And whenever you are visiting IKEA, do definitely check for these products if you want a good set of cutlery items at your home. Okay, so the product purchase link will be on the description section. You can definitely check this out. And if you are from India and if you want these particular items at your home, and if IKEA is not delivering products to your home place, you can definitely contact me. Send me an email given on the description section. I will provide my email address. I will try to deliver these items at your home place with some delivery fees. So guys, thanks for watching, and do hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thanks, guys, and thanks for watching.